In this tutorial, we are going to look at how to find the area between a curve and a line. So, given the equation of the curve as g of x equals 9 minus x on 2 all squared, and the equation of a line as f of x equals to 6 minus x. The area between a curve and a line is given as integral b a bracket g of x minus f of x all dx. So the first thing is we need to find the value of the upper limit and that of the lower limit. So finding the upper and the lower limit, we equate g of x to f of x. In this way, we are going to have 9 minus into bracket x on 2 all squared equals to 6 minus 6. So this square affect this and that, so we are going to have x squared on 4 equals to 6 minus 6. By multiplying 2 by 4, we are going to have 36 minus 6 squared equals to 24 minus 4x. So let's rearrange these things again. We are going to have x squared minus 4x plus 24 minus 36 equals 0. So x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Now, so the factors of the quadratic equation here is negative 6 and positive 2. So the quadratic equation becomes x squared minus 6x plus 2x minus 12 equals 0. So let's factorize this out. We are going to have x into bracket x minus 6 plus 2 into bracket x minus 6 equals 0. So x plus 2 x minus 6 equals to 0. In this way, x is equal to 2, x is equal to negative 2, x is equal to positive 6. So now the upper limit now becomes 6 and the lower limit is now negative 2. Now let's substitute. So now the area of between the curve and the line now becomes integral 6 negative 2 into bracket 9 minus x squared on 4 minus 6 minus x dx. So let's expand what is in the bracket here. We are going to have integral 6 negative 2 9 minus x squared on 4 minus 6 plus 6 dx. Now let's subtract negative 6 from 9. We are going to have integral 6 negative 2 3 minus x squared on 4 plus x dx. Now let's integrate what is in the bracket. We are going to have integral, we are going to have negative x cubed. So this one we are going to have negative x cubed on 12 for this side alone. Then we are going to have x squared on 2 plus 3x for this one. Then 6 negative 2. Now let's substitute the upper limit and the lower limit into the function here. So we are going to have negative 6 on 3 on 12 plus 6 on 2 on 2, 6 squared on 2, sorry, plus 3 times 6. On 6 minus bracket negative square cube on 12 plus negative 2 squared on 2 plus 3 times negative 2 all squared. Oh, sorry, all in bracket here. So the final answer becomes 64 on 3, which is equal to 21.33 square units. So the area between the curve and the line, which is this area, is 21.33 square units. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.